3 individuals, including a woman, faced charges in the Sessions Court today for allegedly smuggling a Sri Lankan national through Kuala Lumpur International Airport, KLIA. The accused, G. Santhiya Darshini, 27, and Janarthanan Appupillai, 46, both Malaysian citizens, along with Vtheewaran Palani, 48, a Sri Lankan national, appeared before Judge Mohd Sabri Ismail. The charges were read to the trio in Tamil, and they acknowledged understanding the accusations against them. However, no plea was recorded at this stage, as the case falls under the jurisdiction of the High Court. According to the charge sheet, the 3 individuals are alleged to have orchestrated the smuggling of a Sri Lankan migrant through KLIA Terminal 1 on July 10. This serious offense has led to charges under Section 26C of the Anti-Trafficking in Persons and Anti-Smuggling of Migrants ATIPSOM Act 2007, read in conjunction with Section 34 of the Penal Code. The gravity of the alleged crime is reflected in the potential penalties faced by the accused. If found guilty, they could be sentenced to up to 15 years in prison, fined, or both. This severe punishment underscores the Malaysian authorities' commitment to combating human trafficking and illegal migration. In a related but separate case, another Sri Lankan national, Antany Sujan Antany Ranjan, aged 21, found himself in legal trouble. Ranjan was charged with possessing a counterfeit passport, an offense that allegedly took place at KLIA's International Departure Gate on the same day, July 10, at approximately 10:25 p.m. Similar to the smuggling case, no plea was recorded for Ranjan, as his case also falls within the High Court's jurisdiction. The young Sri Lankan faces charges under Section 26E of the ATIPSOM Act, which carries a hefty sentence ranging from 7 to 15 years imprisonment. The courtroom atmosphere was tense as Deputy Public Prosecutors Anissa Paisal and Nur Hidayah Abdullah Sani presented the cases. In a move that highlighted the seriousness of the alleged offenses, the prosecution team strongly opposed bail for all the accused individuals. Furthermore, the prosecutors requested that both cases be transferred to the Shah Alam High Court for further proceedings. This request for transfer suggests the complex nature of the cases and the need for them to be heard in a higher court. After careful consideration, Judge Mohd Sabri Ismail approved the prosecution's application for the transfer of the cases. This decision means that the accused will face their next legal hurdles in the Shah Alam High Court, where the full weight of their alleged crimes will be scrutinized. The first 3 accused, Darshini, Appupillai, and Palani, were not without legal representation. They were defended by a team of lawyers including William Edwin, Donald Selvam, and C. Surendran. These legal professionals will be tasked with navigating the complexities of the case and advocating for their clients as the legal process unfolds. In contrast, Antany Sujan Antany Ranjan, charged with passport forgery, stood alone in the courtroom without legal representation. This lack of counsel could potentially place him at a disadvantage as he faces the serious charges against him. The cases highlight the ongoing challenges faced by Malaysian authorities in combating human trafficking and illegal migration. KLIA, as a major international transit hub, has become a focal point for such activities, prompting increased vigilance and stricter enforcement measures. The alleged smuggling operation, if proven, reveals the sophisticated networks that operate to facilitate illegal border crossings. It also underscores the vulnerabilities exploited by traffickers, who often prey on individuals seeking better opportunities or fleeing difficult circumstances in their home countries. The involvement of both Malaysian and Sri Lankan nationals in the alleged smuggling ring points to the transnational nature of such criminal enterprises. It suggests a level of coordination that crosses borders, making it a challenge for any single country to address the issue in isolation. The case of the forged passport, meanwhile, sheds light on another aspect of illegal migration: the use of fraudulent documents to circumvent border controls. This highlights the need for advanced detection methods and continued vigilance at immigration checkpoints. As these cases move forward, they are likely to attract significant attention from both the media and the public. The outcomes could have far-reaching implications for Malaysia's efforts to curb human trafficking and illegal migration, potentially leading to stricter policies and enforcement measures. The legal proceedings also serve as a deterrent, sending a clear message to those who might consider engaging in similar activities. The severe penalties associated with these crimes underscore the Malaysian government's commitment to maintaining the integrity of its borders and protecting vulnerable individuals from exploitation. For the accused, the coming months will be filled with uncertainty as they navigate the legal system. Their fates hang in the balance, with the potential for long prison sentences if found guilty. The cases also highlight the personal tragedies often underlying such crimes, with individuals risking everything in pursuit of what they hope will be a better life. As the cases progress to the Shah Alam High Court, they will likely face intense scrutiny. The prosecution will work to build a compelling case, while the defense teams will seek to challenge the evidence and protect their clients' rights. For Ranjan, who currently lacks legal representation, the road ahead may be particularly challenging. The international community will also be watching these cases closely, as they reflect broader global issues of human trafficking and illegal migration. The outcomes could influence how other countries in the region approach similar challenges, potentially leading to increased cooperation in combating these transnational crimes. In the meantime, authorities at KLIA and other entry points across Malaysia are likely to maintain heightened vigilance. The cases serve as a reminder of the constant cat-and-mouse game between law enforcement and those seeking to circumvent immigration laws. As the legal process unfolds, it will not only determine the fates of the accused but also contribute to the ongoing dialogue about migration, border security, and human rights in Malaysia and beyond. The complexities of these issues ensure that, regardless of the outcomes, the debate surrounding them will continue long after the verdicts are delivered.